With this state-of-the-art facility on the way, the Arandis Emergency Response and Traffic Management Centre seeks to address the high number of road incidents and accidents along this stretch of the highway. Hopes are that the new facility will help Namibia to move from being the country with the highest road accident rates in Africa. There are already poles, each with two-way cameras placed along the 50-kilometer road. The cameras identify the vehicle's registration number and eventually the owner. Cameras and boards are linked to a control center at the Arandis turnoff, and the center is also connected to various emergency and law enforcement agencies on a 24/7 basis. Speaking on behalf of the Erongo Governor Neville Andre, the constituency councillor Benita Imbamba stressed that the facility will enhance the region's capacity to respond to emergencies not only within the town of Arandis but also throughout the major corridors of the Erongo region and beyond.
This center will serve as a hub for emergency responders, paramedics, and traffic management personnel who will work tirelessly to ensure that our roads are safer and that critical interventions are provided swiftly in times of need. The state-of-the-art facility will enhance our region's capacity to respond to emergencies not only within the town of Arandis but also throughout the major corridors of the Erongo region and beyond. Allow me to highlight the unwavering commitment of the Namibian government to road safety.
Andre further calls on the public, drivers, pedestrians and all road users to act responsibly and adhere to traffic regulations. Also speaking at the event was the chairman of the National Road Safety Council, Elifas Ovos-Wap.
Though IDA surveillance is not a law enforcement tool, what is observed from the control center here may lead to a law enforcement outcome. How? On account of what is observed from the center, for example, inconsiderate or reckless driving, the traffic police will be dispatched so as to identify and address situations in accordance with the law so transgressed. It is equally not the intention to collect personal information through the surveillance of vehicle. However, if data is required through legal means, for example through a court order, or for evidential purposes to reveal data, the center will oblige.
The system forms part of Namibia's second decade of action for road safety strategy for the period 2021 to 2030, which was endorsed by Cabinet. This strategy assigned specific responsibilities to various role players and institutions.